My name's Eric and I run the anodizing line. My job is to make sure the machine is running, everything is in spec, and to do minor repairs here and there. So on this end, up until about tank 22, we were cleaning the part and prepping it for anodize. So if you've ever seen the parts, when they come out shiny, that's only happens after they go through the bright dip. And then when they go in the anodized baths, that actually is what chemically rusts them, is the easiest explanation. And then it'll go in the dye bath, and then the pores created while it rusts hold the color. And then it'll get sealed, which holds the color and makes it corrosion water resistant. I make sure that the balance between the baths are maintained. So some need to be at like 5, some need to be at 2, to be at operating spec via military standards. And then I make sure they're in spec, and if they're not in spec, I actually put them back in spec. It's not easy to explain to you what it is we do. I'm a firm believer, if you show up and you do your job, and if you do your job, it's going to come out the way it's supposed to. Consistency. And while I'm doing that, I'm helping people get houses put out. And actually, probably before you started, we were actually doing the AMKIS equipment over here too. So a lot of that stuff, when I see it, it's like, no, I probably touched that. That's pretty neat.